Apple Classroom is a powerful app that allows you to guide and conduct how your students use their iPad, including activities such as sharing a web page, opening an app, or viewing screens remotely to check in on progress. A teacher installs the Apple Classroom app. Students do not need to install anything. You would create a new class, enter the class name, choose a color, and select Done. Add students. Share the code with students. For the student side of Apple Classroom, they would tap Settings on their iPad. Near the top of Settings, they should see Wi-Fi, GPISD, and they should have their Bluetooth on. They would tap Classroom under Bluetooth, choose the class name, and under the Allow Teacher to options, they will choose Lock Apps and Device, AirPlay, and View Screen. For each of these options, students should choose Always. A student would add their first and last name as well as the code. The code will change each time you add additional students. If students see Waiting for Teacher, they will know they are in the right place. Back to the teacher view, teachers would see the students and select Add. The students will then appear on the dashboard. Let's look at some of the tools on the dashboard. The first one is Open, which allows a teacher to launch an app for each of the student iPads. You also have the option to lock the students in the app after opening, but please be aware that you'll have to come back and unlock the students to allow them to continue on with additional apps. The Navigate tool allows you to guide students to a specific resource within iBooks or perhaps a specific website that you've bookmarked as a favorite in Safari. The Lock tool allows you to lock the student iPads for a special announcement or important information about an activity. The Mute tool allows you to mute the audio on a student iPad. The Screens view allows teachers to see the screens remotely of each student iPad. And the Group tool allows a teacher to create custom groups to use, for example, a class project. Thank you for learning about Apple Classroom.